Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Every human being on this earth has some innate talent and ability which is more pronounced than the rest. In fact, it is this talent which shapes his aptitude for certain tasks. This talent and ability can become formidable if it is recognized at the right time. This is because talents are generally found in raw form and need to be groomed and developed. Unfortunately, neither our parents nor our educational system generally help in discovering our latent talents. The result is that people deprive themselves of their own inner potential. Instead of discovering these potentials, more time is spent on wishful thinking, daydreaming, and making castles in the air. Yet, it is never too late. Whatever our age, we can begin the exercise to discover our inner talent. And I have prepared a set of 10 questions which may help in determining this inner talent that is found in us. Question number 1. What do you think you are naturally good at? 2. How would you use a gift of a handsome amount of money if it is given to you to be spent for a cause, issue, or problem? 3. What activities make you lose track of time? 4. Which qualities of a person inspire you? 5. If you had to teach something, what would you teach? Then the 6th question is, if you were to give a message to a large group of people, what would it be? And 7th is, who are your heroes and why? 8. People say, oh, you are so good at. The 9th question is, what do people typically ask you for help in? 10. In which fields or subjects have you won praise or awards? So if we answer these questions briefly, we'll come to a very raw conclusion through this exercise that what are our inner talents. And of course, this trial and error, if it's done after some time repeatedly, we will end up with a more precise understanding of our innate talent. So let us make this effort and discover our inner talent so that we can radically transform our lives. In fact, let's begin today.